Hi guys, here 9 minus 3 is 6 plus 12 divided by 2 times 3. Here 6 plus 12 is 18 divided by 2 times this 3. Here 18 divided by 2 is 9 times this 3. Here 9 times 3 is 27 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 27 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. Here this is a bracket, higher priority, this is exponent. This M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce this left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. We don't have the bracket in this problem. Next priority is exponent. We don't have the exponent in this problem. The next priority is multiplication and division. Here we have subtraction, addition, division and multiplication. So we have to do this multiplications and division before this addition and subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is this 12 divided by 2. So we have to do this before any other operation. So 9 minus 3 plus this 12 divided by 2 is 6 times this 3. Now we have subtraction, addition and multiplication. Here multiplication is higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition and subtraction. So 9 minus 3 plus 6 times 3 is 18. Here we have subtraction and addition. Here both are here equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is 9 minus 3. Here 9 minus 3 is 6 plus 18. Here 6 plus 18 is this 24 is the correct answer.